Hey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Before I talk about myself, I want to start by talking about the university that inspired this entire journey. Stanford is globally recognized as one of the leading universities in technology, innovation, and research, especially in the field of computer science and artificial intelligence. What really attracts me to Stanford is its mindset. At Stanford, technology is not just studied, it is created, tested, and applied to real-world problems. Being located in Silicon Valley, Stanford is surrounded by innovation. Many of today's most influential technologies and companies were born from ideas developed by Stanford students and researchers. For me, Stanford represents a place where ideas turn into fact. So my name is Yazid and I come from Bekasi, Indonesia. I'm applying to the computer science program with a focus on artificial intelligence and software engineering. Growing up, access to advanced technology education was limited, but instead of discouraging me, it motivated me to learn independently. I realized early on that if I want to grow, I had to take responsibility for my own learning. That mindset shaped the way I approach technology and problem solving today. My interest in technology started with curiosity. I always wondered how applications work behind the scenes, how data moves, how systems communicate, and how decisions are made inside software. At first, I made many mistakes. I struggled with bugs, logic errors, and broken systems. But those struggles taught me something important. Progress comes from persistence. Over time, coding became not just a skill but a way of thinking. I learned computer science primarily through hands-on projects. I developed web and mobile applications using Laravel and Flutter. Through uh, this project, I gained experience in application architecture, database design, API integration, and clean coding principles. Each project taught me something new, not only technically but mentally. I learned how to think systematically and break complex problems into smaller solutions. One of my most meaningful projects was building employee management and payroll system. These systems handle real features such as authorization and authentication, role-based access control, salary calculation, allowance and deduction, leave requests, and automate monthly payroll. Through this experience, I learned that software errors affect real people. This taught me responsibility, accuracy, and discipline as a developer. In addition to web development, I focused on mobile application development using Dart and Flutter. I built several applications, including application, a new application, and an e-commerce UI prototype. Publishing my projects on GitHub helped me understand version control. I built several applications, including a Quran application, a news application, and an e-commerce UI prototype. Publishing my projects on GitHub helped me understand uh, version control, documentation, collaborative workflows. GitHub became my personal learning archive and technical portfolio. As my technical foundation grew stronger, my interest shifted toward artificial intelligence. I became fascinated, fascinated by how machine learning systems can analyze data, learn patterns, and support decision making. I believe AI should not only be powerful but also ethical, efficient, and beneficial to society. This belief is what drives my interest in studying AI deeply. Stanford University offers an environment where I can grow both criminally and personally. Its strong research culture, interdisciplinary approach, and access to world-class faculty make it the deal the ideal places for my goals. Uh, I believe Stanford will challenge me, inspire me, and push me beyond my comfort zone. This is exactly the kind of environment I am seeking. When people hear the name Stanford University, they often think about rankings, famous alumni, or Silicon Valley. But for me, Stanford represents something deeper. Stanford is a place where ideas are not only discussed, but tested, challenged, and turned into real solutions. Since its founding in 1885, Stanford has carried a strong belief that education should directly contribute to society. This belief is still visible today in how Stanford teaches, research, and innovates. One thing that truly disgusting Stanford is its educational psychology. Stanford encourages students to ask questions, even uncomfortable ones. Failure is not seen as something negative, but as a necessary step in learning. Students are encouraged to experiment, build prototypes, and learn from mistakes. This mindset strongly resonates with my own learning journey in computer science. Stanford, Stanford's location in Silicon Valley gives students access to an ecosystem unlike anywhere else in the world. This environment allows students to collaborate with industry professionals, intern at leading tech companies, build or start up while still studying. Innovation it's, is not something distant, it's part of daily life. For me, learning computer science in this environment means learning from real problems, real users, and real impact. Stanford's computer science program is known for its depth and flexibility. Students are encouraged to explore various areas such as software engineering, artificial intelligence, data science, systems and networks, human-centered computing. This flexibility allows students to build strong foundations while still pursuing their specific interests. As someone interested in AI and software engineering, this structure is extremely appealing for me. Stanford is also a leader in artificial intelligence research. What I admire most is that AI at Stanford is not only about technical performance. There is strong attention to ethics, responsibility, fairness, and social impact. I believe AI should be built to help people, not replace or harm them. Stanford's balanced approach to AI aligns deeply with my values. Receiving this scholarship would have a profound impact on my life. It would allow me to focus fully on learning and research without financial limitation. My long-term goal is to become a software engineer in AI or in artificial intelligence specialist who builds intelligent, scalable, and socially impactful solutions. For me, studying at Stanford, it's not just about earning a degree. It is about growth, contribution, and responsibility. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my story and consider my application. My name is Yazid, and this is my motivation to study computer science at Stanford University. Maybe that's all. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.